Hello, today's topic is capital budgeting. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you capital budgeting. As you know, capital budgeting is made with two words, capital and budgeting. Capital is a capital expenditure, is the spending of fund, large expenditure of an organization like purchasing land, machinery, building, replacement of a machine, research and development of an organization. Whatever having a huge investment, it is called a capital. Now term is budgeting. Budgeting is setting a target for a project just to ensure maximum profitability. In a simple term, what we can say, capital budgeting, it's just a process where business undergoes or analyzing the whole aspect for the future potential project or investment where they get the best return on investment. What is a capital budget? Is an investment decision of an organization where the concept is or decision is depend upon the selection of assets which is funded by the company, whatever the best project they are ready to select. Suppose company having a 3 project A, B, C, one having a cost of a 40,000, second having a 50,000, and third one is a and company having a 19,000. If company go for the selection of a project, either they select the 2 project or just to invest over the 1 project. Whatever the project give the best return on an investment, company going to select that project. Now I am giving a best example in our daily life. Suppose if your mobile is not able to work according to you, or just mobile stop for working, you have a 2 choice, either to purchase a new one or just to repair. The thinking is depend upon that. If the cost of a repairing of a mobile give a benefit in future in comparison to the replacing of a mobile, so definitely you think according to your budget. If your budget allow, purchase a new mobile and definitely it give a best result in future, then you definitely think for a new mobile. But if budget said no, you can be repair your mobile and do the working over then, and definitely it give the good lifespan of your mobile, then your thinking goes for repairing. Same happening with the organization having a number of a aspect, number of a alternative, number of a projects where they invest. From that, if they get the best result according to their budget, according to their estimate, then they will go for the selection. So in a simple term, it's just a tool of an investment. Investment decision is depend upon the selection of an asset which is funded by the organization, purpose to best return on investment. Hope it's clear to you all. What is a capital budgeting? Simple budgeting regarding a capital. Whenever we are thinking about the investment, whenever we have a lot of project, we select the best project for the organization who give the best result to them. And as a capital, we know that it's regarding to the land, machinery, building, replacement of a machine. Whatever the aspect we here, we consider the project. If we have a one option to replace a machine, we have an option to purchase a land, we have option to research and development, then we are check then which option is best for the organization. That is a capital budgeting. Now capital budgeting having some features. First feature is huge funds. Yes, one of the most important feature of capital budgeting, having a huge investment over the projects. We can't talk about the 1,000, 1 lakh and 2 lakh. The investment might be possible more than the 10 lakh crore. So whatever the investment, if huge investment, if business man, if a company want to earn a more and more profit in a future, then they purchase a best machine for the organization which gives the maximum output in a lower cost. so it's having a huge investment. Another term is a high degree of a risk. Yes, whenever we talk about the profit, then definitely risk is attached with the profit. If high risk, then we definitely get the high profit. Here the risk regarding the finance, because here the huge investment. If a selection of project is wrong, definitely we are not able to survive in the market. So risk factor is regarding to the finance. Third one is difficult decision. Yes, it's a difficult decision because investment is very huge, expenditure is very huge. So we are company is not able to select which products because it's just an estimation. We can't say we get the exact result from the project. If we are saying that this machine give the maximum output, that time we just say that yes, our estimation is that machine will give the best output that we, but we can't say that it have to give a best output for the organization. So it's very difficult decision which project is really suitable for the organization. Estimation of a large profit, because we are investing as a business person. If we talk about myself, if we are investing over the huge amount, any investment, any approaches, any project, then definitely I always think about the high profit of the organization. Huge investment generate the high profit of the organization. So capital budgeting feature is always estimating the highest return of the project. Future competitive strength. Yes, capital budgeting also affect the future competitive strength. If we select the suitable project for the organization, definitely we will get the highest position in the market. But if selection is wrong, then everybody knows. If selection is wrong, then we are not, as a business, is not able to survive in the environment. So these are the features of the capital budgeting. Having a need a large amount to selecting a project because it's a huge investment. Very high risk, financial risk is always adjusted with the capital budgeting. Difficult to selection because sometimes two projects give the same level of a benefit. So it's very difficult to select which project for the organization. As here there's a 3 projects A, B, C. So company can be decide to select 2 projects. Company might be go with the one single project. If company have a more than amount of a total, then they will be select the 3 of project. So it's very difficult task which project is suitable for the organization. Giving a high profit and right decision lead or make the companies a leadership in the market, or wrong decision can be decline the working of organization. Now next is our process of a capital budgeting. What is the process of a capital budgeting? How do we perform capital budgeting in the organization? First most step of a capital budgeting is projects identification. Which type of product we need, where we invest the project. Here the selection regarding where the money invested by the organization. So process started from the identification of a project. We are ready to search the number of a project for the organization and which project is suitable for the organization. In second step, after selecting a project, after deciding that this type of a project, this type of a business we will ready to do, then we go for the project scanning and evaluation. Scanning and evaluation is the aspect that time if we have a 3 projects, here we are ready to find out the advantage and disadvantage of all the project. Those having a less disadvantage, definitely organization ready to select it. In the evaluation process, here we are using the capital budgeting techniques, which will be discussed in a later. There's a 2 type of techniques, discounting technique and non-discounting technique. Under the discounting technique, we will be study the NPA, IRR, profitability index, and non-discounting techniques, payback period, average rate of return. In this technique, we just select the best project for the organization. In a evaluation techniques, we are evaluated the project. Either A is having a lot of advantage, or B or C. So behalf of that evaluation technique, we find out the advantage and disadvantage, know the return over the investment, and then we go with the third process, that is a project selection. If we are thinking that a project is best suitable for the organization, then definitely company go with the A. If the company thinking that no, A is not suitable for the organization because it's have a lot of a drawback, so and C have a less drawback, so definitely project is C of a organization. In a project selection, just check the advantage and disadvantage here, and if less at disadvantage, in this procedure we select the project, either A, B, C. Third one is a implementation. After selection of project, we implement in the organization. Suppose if we select the machine, we are ready to replacing the machine and purchasing a new machine, then we are in a implementation stage, we are ready to establish the machine in the organization, we are ready to replace the machine in the organization. After implementation of our project, last stage is a performance review. Here we check the measurement. Here we check that whatever the actual desire or standard, what are the gap between the standard and actual desire. Suppose this is our standard and this is our actual desire. This is a gap. In a performance review, we monitor the project and to just identify what we set as a standard for the organization, either it's meet or not. If we are saying that standard is there and we are meeting only this point, that means there is some gap. Then how to remove such gap from the organization, that is our performance review. Here we monitor as well as control the performance of the project. So now it's just total about the capital budgeting. What is a budgeting, what are their features, and what are the process. In a process, you carefully define the identification, carefully define the area of the project, carefully define what the business want, where they want to invest. In a second aspect, carefully evaluate, analyzing the each and every aspect of the project. After analyzing, procedure is a selection. If having a less demerit over the project, definitely we select the project. After selection of project, we are ready to utilize in an organization. We are ready to do the work over that. And when we performing our work, last step just to check the performance, monitor as well as control the performance of the organization, checking the standard and actual result of the organization. If there is any gap, exists in between, then we are ready to remove from that. So it's all about the capital budgeting. Hope it's clear. And lastly, again I'm just tell you, capital budgeting just a tool of a investment decision of the organizations. We are made with the capital budgeting, and budgeting is always depend upon the estimation. We can't say 100% accuracy of the result. It just give the idea, it just set the idea, you will get the high return over the investment. Thank you.